Let's turn now to Storm Watch 12. Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman to get a look at our conditions. Another hot day on tap for us, it looked like.
We made it back up to 100 today in Medford. Yeah, yesterday only 99, today back up to 100. We broke the record high today in Montague, hitting 107 degrees, tied the record high in Mount Shasta at 101. 99 in Klamath Falls. Another comfortable day along the coast. Excessive heat warnings, heat advisories go through 9 p.m. Saturday, but we're still going to see a pretty hot stretch of weather overall. Temperatures will stay above average right into next week. Current temperatures, we're down to 78 degrees in Medford. It's 71 in Klamath Falls, 83 in Montague. In the lower 50s along the coast, we will see some more marine layer clouds and fog impacting parts of the coast and then clearing out as we go through the day tomorrow. Air quality not too bad for most spots. Moderate in Klamath Falls, Tule Lake, and Wairika. Most of that smoke from the Shelley fire, which it did produce quite a bit, was mainly elevated. So there will be some haze and smoke into tomorrow. Some thicker smoke as the Shelley fire starts to act up again tomorrow afternoon, impacting portions of Siskiyou County. And then we'll likely see again more rounds of haze and smoke throughout most of southern Oregon and northern California. There's going to be a fair amount of elevated smoke in the mix as we go through this weekend. Now, satellite and radar, clear skies, but notice just off to the south and to the east, already some clouds. This is the monsoonal moisture that's going to move into the region. So you will notice more in the way of clouds tomorrow into Sunday, but it's also going to come with a threat for some thunderstorms. Tonight will stay fairly clear, 62 in Medford, down to 62 in Wairika and 54 in Klamath Falls. A hotter day tomorrow, up to 101 degrees in Grants Pass, 98 in Lakeview, up to 102 in Mount Shasta. And we're going to watch east of the Cascades and in Siskiyou County for a slight chance for a thunderstorm. They should stay fairly isolated tomorrow. Look for gusty winds on the east side once again. So we're going to see critical fire weather conditions between the heat, the low humidity, the gusty winds, but also that concern for some pop-up thunderstorms for portions of Klamath Lake and eastern Siskiyou County, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow. Any lightning strikes, we're not going to see a lot of precipitation, so lightning-caused fires will be a concern tomorrow and especially Sunday. Notice tomorrow, later in the day, not a lot of activity. Very isolated thunderstorms expected. We'll keep a close eye on things, but we do expect more numerous thunderstorms to pop up for Sunday afternoon, especially through Klamath and Lake counties and then into Siskiyou County. Can't rule out a thunderstorm sneaking into the Rogue Valley along the Cascades and the Siskiyous, but the bulk of the action is going to be on the east side and into Northern California. Now, severe weather, not really expecting any, but what we could see with these storms, the main concern is going to be abundant lightning and then cloud to ground lightning strikes starting new fires and potentially numerous fires. And these winds will be capable, these storms will be capable of some gusty winds as well. So fires can spread quick once they get going. We'll also have to watch for holdover fires into next week. Fire weather watches have been posted for that threat for thunderstorms on Sunday. The Klamath Basin, a pretty stormy weekend, especially Sunday. Temperatures drop back a bit though on Sunday. Crater Lake dry tomorrow, slight chance of a thunderstorm on Sunday. And then heading to the Southern Oregon Lavender Festival this weekend. Pretty hot tomorrow. Those temperatures into the triple digits, even in the Applegate Valley. May see a thunderstorm on Sunday, just a very slight chance. The coast, pretty quiet weather, marine clouds, comfortable temperatures in the 60s into next week. Northern California tracking those potential for thunderstorms this weekend. Best bet for storms east of the Cascades. Also some gusty winds expected through the weekend. Taking a look at the mountains, we'll have that threat for a thunderstorm on Sunday. We may see storm chances lingering into the first part of next week. We'll update you on that throughout the weekend. And then in the Rogue Valley, it's still going to stay pretty hot. It's looking pretty toasty. First day of the fair on Tuesday in Jackson County. Temperatures likely above 100 degrees.